These are some common mistakes that I see clients make in personal injury cases. The first is dealing directly with the insurance company for the responsible party. It's a mistake to communicate directly with the insurance company for the responsible party. That's kind of like talking to the police after you've been arrested. You may think that it's the right thing to do, but actually anything you say can and will be used against you. So in the personal injury context, it doesn't make sense for you to deal directly with the insurance company for the responsible party. Instead, you should leave that to your representative, to your lawyer. The next common mistake I see is people delaying getting medical treatment after an accident. If you've been injured in an accident, it's important to get medical treatment right away. If you delay in getting medical treatment, the insurance company will assume that you were not injured initially and that you're just trying to make up injuries in order to have a claim. However, if you get medical treatment immediately after the accident, they can't make that argument. Another common mistake is delaying getting legal advice. If you've been injured and you believe that your injury was caused by someone else's mistake, then you should get advice from a personal injury lawyer as soon as possible. If you delay getting that advice, there are mistakes that you can make that will hurt your case. When you talk to a personal injury lawyer, the consultation is free, so there's no risk to you, no expense to you in getting legal advice immediately after an accident. Another common mistake that I see is that clients will hide prior injuries, prior accidents, prior lawsuits. They think that those things are bad, so maybe they shouldn't even tell their own lawyer about them. That's a terrible mistake and can have devastating consequences in a personal injury case. It's important that you're completely upfront, honest, and descriptive to your attorney in terms of all accidents that you've had, all injuries that you've had, all medical treatment that you've had. If your attorney knows about your prior accident and your injuries, then those issues can be dealt with. Another common mistake that people make is they exaggerate their symptoms or they exaggerate their disability because they think it'll help their case. What it ends up doing is it actually can hurt the case. Insurance companies will often subpoena medical records, and the medical records will show what treatment you've had and what symptoms you've complained of. If they don't match up with your testimony, then that looks bad. Insurance companies can also hire private investigators to conduct surveillance. If you're caught in a surveillance video doing something that you said you couldn't do during the course of the personal injury case, it can be devastating to your case. Sometimes there's no way to recover from that type of evidence. So it's the best policy to always be 100% honest about everything. Don't exaggerate, don't try to make things more than they are. Be 100% honest.